Filming by Seena.
Writing by Abigail.
And Emily.
Explanations by Nidhi. Math review by Nidhi, Abigail, Emily, and Seena. First, we're going to find the percent increase and decrease. So for this problem, it's a equals 4 parentheses 0.37 to the x. We know this is a decrease because the value in the parentheses is less than 1. To find the percent, we're going to do 1 minus 0.37, which is equal to 0.63. Now you move the decimal twice to make a percentage, and the answer is 63% decrease. So now we're going to do another problem. So a equals 3,000 parentheses 2.5 to the x. Now we know this one is an increase because the value in the parentheses is over 1. To find this, we're going to do 2.5 minus 1 equals 1.5. And then we will move the decimal twice and get 150% increase. Next, we're going to evaluate the expression. So the problem here is log base 3 1/9, and so we're going to write down the formula to help us solve this. So the formula is log base b y equals x. Now that is the same thing as b to the x equals y. So using this, we're going to solve that. So we're going to rewrite it, and we're going to rewrite an imaginary x. So that thing equals x. So 3 to the x equals 1/9. And then, since we can't have fractions, we're going to rewrite 1/9 as 9 to the negative 1. So 3 to the x equals 9 to the negative 1. And then we want to have the same bases, so we're going to rewrite 9 to the negative 1 as 3 to the x equals 3 to the 3, or to the 2 times negative 1. And then that's the same thing as 3 times negative 2, or 3 to the negative 2. So 3 to the x equals, and then you set the exponents equal to each other, so x equals negative 2. And that's your answer. Make sure you know that the x is here to help you solve it and that the actual value is just negative 2. So this problem is log 1/2 16, and so we're going to use the same formula to help us solve it. So we're going to go ahead and write equals x, and then we're going to do 1/2 to the x equals 16. And then, just like last time, you can't have exponents, or you can't have fractions. So we're gonna do 2 to the negative 1 times x equals 16. And then we need to have the same bases, so we're gonna rewrite 16 as 2 to the 4th. And now you cross out the bases, and you set negative 1x equal to 4. So x is negative 4. And just like last time, the 4 is there only to, or the x is there only to help you solve it. So the value is negative 4.